How do we simplify square root 192? Well, let's get started first by creating a factor tree to find all the prime numbers. So we have 2 times 96, and 2 is prime. Then we can go 3 times 32 is 96, so the 3 is prime. Then we can go 2 times 16, 2 is prime, and then 4 times 4 is 16, and then 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4, and these are all prime numbers. So now, let's rewrite all the prime numbers under the square root sign. So we have a 2, and then a 2, then we have 4 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a 3. Since it's a square root, we can pull out pairs of 2. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and the 3 is still going to be under the square root sign. So now we can multiply these together. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So here it is simplified, 8 square root 3. If you would like to estimate the decimal, then you can just do this. We have 192. I know 13 squared is 169, so that's 13. And 14 squared is 196. This is 14, okay? So 192 is really close, so I would just estimate it's got to be something like 13.9, okay? And if you put it in the calculator, that's a pretty good estimation. It's 13.856 to 3 digits, etc. So there we go. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. And remember, kindness multiplies kindness. Be kind to someone today.